just making waffles. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is my first ever YouTube video. It's Vanna Coslow here, you know. JK, it's Vanna Reed. I don't give a fuck. Let's just make. This is me making waffles, and yeah. So I'm making waffles. They're in the toaster right now, and Eggo, my Eggo. I don't know. 11 from Stranger Things. Love some of those Eggos. So, you know, I'm a little bit, it's my first ever YouTube video on this channel. I'm just really, I have ADHD, so, JK, I'm very chill. I haven't had my medicine yet, but, egg, see these? Fully made by Vanna Coslow. Sorry my kitchen's a fucking mess. I'm so sorry. I haven't done my chores in a while. I haven't done that spring cleaning, so. So first, you want to get your fucking, shit. You need to get your waffles first, and then your butter, and your Aunt Jemima pancake, what is it called? Syrup. And you want to get the butter. Oh, wait. I want to scrape it on there. I'm sorry. I haven't had my medicine today. On this channel, I'm going to be talking about, like, I'm giving people advice. Sorry, that's my dog. He's not waiting to come inside. He's just, barking at nothing. Sorry. I'm not going to be a beauty guru. I don't want to be that basic, like, 13-year-old. And basically, I'm not going to church this weekend because my dad's sick and my mom's at work. So I'm not really a religious person. I just go to church. For some reason. But like some of my videos are going to be like 3 minutes long, 5 minutes long. But 4 minutes long. I might just start doing 4-minute things. And your waffles are officially cut, and you want to get your butter away from this here working station. And you want to get some of, so these waffles are perfectly cut and all of it. I have OCD. In my OCD, my mom just texted me, "Are you going to eat chicken?" I am eating waffles, Mom. She makes crock pot I'm in 8th grade, so any of those pedophiles that want to see my channel, fuck you, get off. I don't support pedophiles or anything like that. My dog is fucking nuts. So, and I have a lizard and a cat that had kittens and a prairie dog. So let's see how these waffles taste. So, goodbye. Bye. See you guys again. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Sorry that you've seen this like cringy video. That's what I have to say. So, welcome to this channel, and this is just me making waffles, I guess, and kind of like my morning routine. Coming soon. Bye.